Now from the sum of this one and this one, this one and this one, it means from this algebraic expression we have to subtract this one, a plus 15b minus 12c. So first we will write in first bracket this algebraic expression, because from this algebraic expression we have to subtract, then minus sign, and in second bracket we will write this algebraic expression a plus 15b minus 12c, which we have to be subtracted, जो हमें माइनस करना है. Now again as we did here, first we will write this one 18a plus 9b minus 17c, then write this algebraic expression, these three terms, by changing their sign. It is plus a, we will write it minus a, plus 15b minus 15b, this is minus 12c, then it will be plus 12c. Again solve this one, this is minus 17c, this is plus 12c. Both the sign are different, so we will subtract the smaller number from the larger one. When we subtract 12 from 17, we will get 5c with minus sign, because before the larger number sign is minus. Now again this one is plus and this one is minus. Both the sign are different, so we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. When we subtract this 9 from 15, we get 6b. Students, again I am telling you, be careful when you write this 6 and b. Do not write it 66. Before larger number sign is minus, we will put here minus. This is plus 18a, this is minus 1a. Again both the numbers are with different sign. This is plus, this is minus. We will subtract smaller one from the larger one. When we subtract this 1 from 18, we get 17a with plus sign, because before the larger number there is plus sign. Clear? Now come to question number 3rd E. If A is equal 7b minus 3c plus 10d, b is equal 4b minus c plus 8d, and c is equal 2a plus b plus c, find. First part is a plus b. Here value of a, b and c are given, and we have to find the value of these parts. First part is a plus b. So I have copied this question also here. How we will do? See, a plus b. A plus b means, what is a? A is 7b minus 3c plus 10d. Then b. B is 4b. See students, how we will write this algebraic. 4b, it is plus 4b. 4b minus c, we will write it minus c, then plus 8d. 8d. Now we have, what we have to do? We have to add. So simply we will add as we did earlier. Plus 10d plus 8d, both are same sign. So we will add their numbers. It is 18d with plus sign minus 3c minus 1c. Both are same sign, minus minus. Number will be added, 3 and 1, 4. 4c with minus sign. Then 7b plus 4b. 7 and 4, 11b. Both are plus, so it will be plus. Clear student? So students, today we will do up to here only 3rd E first part, remaining its part, 2nd, 3rd and 4th part, and remaining question F, G, H we will do in the next class. Students, first we will complete this exercise, then we will start the revision for your unit test. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day. Good morning students, welcome back to online classes. How are you? Hope you all are good in health and also enjoyed this short break. Now time to focus on your studies. So let us start. Students, before the summer vacation, before this short break, in the last class, we were doing exercise 5A, this one. In which I explained how do we add and subtract algebraic expressions. And we completed up to question number 2. Today we will continue the question number 3 of the same exercise, and through this question number 3 we can also revise the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions which we did in this question number 1 and 2. So when we will do this question number 3, you can also revise the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. But before starting this question number 3, we will recall the simplification of two terms. Simplification of two algebraic terms. See here, I told you earlier also, sign rule for addition and subtraction. While adding two numbers of opposite sign, 1 plus and 1 minus, it may be 1 minus and 1 plus also. Find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number. Once again, while adding two numbers of opposite sign, when we add two numbers of opposite sign, that means out of two numbers, if one is positive and other is negative, then find the difference. Find the difference, we will subtract the smaller one from the larger number and put the sign of the bigger number in the answer. How? See here, I am explaining you once again. See, if we have to simplify plus 9x means if there is no sign, if it is like this only 9x, there is no sign, then it will be considered as plus sign. So 9x minus 7x. Here students, 9x will be considered with plus sign because there is no sign before the 9x. So 9x minus 7x, both the numbers are with opposite sign. One is plus and other is minus. Then find the difference. Find the difference means you subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Here smaller one is 7x and larger one is 9x. We will subtract this 9 minus 7. It will be 2x. First you subtract their numerical value as we do simple subtraction sum. 9 minus 7, 2. Then this literal number, literal factor, it is 2x. And what is the sign of before larger number? It is plus. So it is also plus 2x. Suppose if it is 23x plus 30x, again these two terms are with opposite sign. One is minus and other is plus. So again we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Here smaller number is 23 and larger number is 30. We will subtract this 23 from the 30. Then we will get 7x. What is the sign before the larger number? Sign before the larger number is plus. So it is also plus 7x. Now suppose if it is 4x minus 11x. It is 4x minus 11x. Again there are two numbers, two terms. This is plus. 4x will be considered as plus 4x and minus 11x. Both the numbers are with different sign. again we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. We will subtract 4x from the 11x. It means when we subtract 4 from 11, we get 7. X will be written as it is x. It is 7x. Here, what is the sign before the larger number? Which is the larger number? Larger number is 11. So, what is the sign of larger number before the larger number? It is minus. So, this time answer will be minus 7x. Again, see one more example. If it is 10a, suppose this is 10a minus 29a. Again, there are two numbers. One is plus and other is minus. Students, always keep remember, if there is no sign before the first number or in the starting, then it is considered as plus. अगर starting में कोई साइन नहीं है, ना प्लस है ना माइनस है, तो इसको हम प्लस ही मानेंगे. सो इट इज प्लस 10 है माइनस 29 है. अगेन टू नंबर्स आर विद डिफरेंट साइन. दोनों नंबर अलग अलग साइन के हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉलर वन फ्रॉम द लार्जर वन. हम बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर माइनस कर देंगे. व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 10 फ्रॉम 29, वी गेट 19a. And what is the sign before the larger number? बड़े नंबर से पहले कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. तो हम यहाँ माइनस लगा देंगे. अगर बड़े नंबर से पहले प्लस होगा तो हम प्लस लगाएंगे. बड़े नंबर से पहले माइनस है तो हम माइनस लगाएंगे. नाउ वन मोर केस. सी हियर, इफ while adding two numbers of the same sign, जब हम दो सेम साइन वाले नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हैं, यानी कि दोनों नंबर या तो प्लस है या माइनस है, देन एड मीन्स एड देयर न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. उनका जो नंबर है उसको प्लस कर देंगे हम, एंड पुट द सेम साइन इन द आंसर. और जो दोनों साइन है वही साइन हम आंसर में लगा देंगे. कैसे? सी हियर, इफ वी आर राइटिंग 4x प्लस 14x, it is plus, it is also plus, both are plus, दोनों साइन प्लस के हैं. we will add their numerical value. 4 plus 14, it is 18. 18x will be written as it is, so it is plus 18x. 4 plus 14, 18x will be written as it is, so it is 18x. But suppose if it is minus 4x and minus 14x, this time both the sign are minus minus. If two sign are minus minus, then again add their numbers. तब भी हम उन दोनों नंबरों को ऐड करेंगे. 4 plus 14, 18x, but this time sign will be minus. जो दोनों साइन ये हैं वही साइन हम यहाँ पर लगाएंगे. Suppose there are three numbers. Suppose this is minus 2x, minus 3x, minus 10x. There are three numbers and all three terms are with minus sign. तीनों टर्म माइनस साइन है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will add all three numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 10, 15x, and sign will be minus. This is the simplification of two terms or more than two terms. Now come to question number 3. See what is our question. By how much does 11a plus 13b minus c exceed? Exceed means more. By how much does 11a plus 13b minus c exceed 7a plus 12b minus 2c? इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि ये वाली एल्जेब्रिक टर्म है, एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है 11a प्लस 13b माइनस सी. ये वाला एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इस वाले एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन से 7a प्लस 12b माइनस 2c से हाउ मच मीन्स कितना, हाउ मच मीन्स कितना, एक्सीड मीन्स ज्यादा है. यानी ये वाला एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इस वाले एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन से बड़ा है, तो ये कितना बड़ा है. तो कैसे पता चलेगा? हाउ कैन वी नो दैट हाउ मच दिस एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज मोर देन दिस वन? बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. सब्ट्रैक्ट करके हमें माइनस पता चलेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन सब्ट्रैक्शन व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट दीज टू टर्म्स इन ब्रैकेट. जिस एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में से हमें माइनस करना है वो हम पहले लिख लेंगे. 11a प्लस 13b माइनस c. हमें इस वाले एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में से ये वाला एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन माइनस करना है. नाउ पुट माइनस साइन, देन राइट दिस एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इन द सेकंड ब्रैकेट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, again write this algebraic expression as it is here. See, I am writing here 11a plus 13b minus c. Then write this algebraic expression by changing the sign. When we have to subtract, only then we will change the sign. This is plus 7a, so we will write minus 7a. This is plus 12b, we will write it minus 12b. This is minus 2c, we will write it plus 2c. Like this. Clear? Now we will simplify these two terms as I explained here. So students, this is plus 11a, this is minus 7a. This is plus, this is minus. Both the terms are with different sign. So we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. When we subtract this 7 from 11, we get 4a. And what is the sign before the larger number? It is plus. So it is also plus. Now here this is plus 13b, this is minus 12b. Again both the terms are with different sign. दोनों टर्म्स के साइन डिफरेंट है. देन अगेन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्मॉलर नंबर फ्रॉम द लार्जर वन. When we subtract 12 from 13, we get 1. And students, you know, in algebra, we do not write 1. It is 1b. We will write it only b. And what is the sign? Before the larger number, sign is plus, so it will be plus. This is 4a, then this is plus b. Now this is minus 1c. When there is no numerical number, it is considered as minus. And it is plus 2c. Again both the numbers are with different sign, so we will subtract this smaller number from the larger one. When we subtract this minus 1 from 2, again we will get 1c. 1c means we have to write only c. And what is the sign before the larger number? It is plus. Again we will write here plus. Clear? So how we will write? We have to write answer statement also in this question. Our question is, by how much does 11a plus 13b minus c exceed 7a plus 12b minus 2c? So we will write 11a plus 13b minus c. We will write from here. Answer: 11a plus 13b minus c exceed. Here students, it is written does, so we will write it exceeds, not exceed. Exceed 7a plus 12b minus 7a plus 12b minus 2c by 4a plus b plus c. It means 11a plus 13b minus c 7a plus 12b minus 2c से 4a plus b plus c ज़्यादा है. Now come to third C part. Our third C question is, take away 6a plus 14b minus 2c from the sum of 3a plus 5b and 2a plus 9b minus 4c. I have copied this question here in my register. So students, take away. Take away means subtract. Subtract 6a plus 14b minus 2c from the sum of 3a plus 5b and 2a plus 9b minus 4c. In this question we have to subtract. हमें subtract करना है this algebraic expression from the sum of. इन दोनों algebraic expression के sum में से, from the sum of this algebraic expression 3a plus 5b and 2a plus 9b minus 4c. इन दोनों algebraic expression के sum में से हमको ये वाला algebraic expression subtract करना है. So first we will add these two algebraic expression. How we will add? Our first algebraic expression is 3a plus 5b. We will write here 3a plus 5b. Then write this one. It is 2a plus 9b minus 4c. We will write like this to add. First we will find sum of these two algebraic expression. So minus 4c will be written as it is. It is plus 5b plus 9b. Both the numbers are with same sign. So when both the numbers are with same sign, we will add the numbers 5 plus 9, 14b and put the same sign. It is plus, we will write here plus. Again this is plus 3a plus 2a. Again add, because both the sign are same, so we will add 3 plus 2, 5a. This is the sum of 3a plus 5b and 2a plus 9b minus 4c. Now we have to take away, we have to subtract this algebraic expression from this sum. So this is our first step. Now in second step we will subtract this algebraic expression from this sum. So we will write it like this. 5a plus 14b minus 4c, then minus 7a plus 12b minus 2c. In first bracket we have written that algebraic expression from which we have to subtract, and in second bracket we have written the algebraic expression which have to be subtracted, जिसको हमने minus करना है. We have written. Now what we will do as we did here. First we will write this algebraic expression as it is 5a plus 14b minus 4c. Then write this algebraic expression by changing their sign, because students, you know, when out of a bracket there is minus sign, we will change all the sign inside the bracket. So it is plus 7a, it will be written minus 7a. It is plus 12b, we will write it minus 12b, minus 2c will be written as plus 2c. And students, one more thing, always be careful when you write these terms. We have to write like terms below it. 5a and 7a. A will be written below A, B will be written below B, C will be written below C. I have already explained this thing you earlier. So now we will simplify it by this rule, using this rule. So here it is minus 4c plus 2c. Both the numbers are with different sign. So we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. It is minus 4c plus 2c. When we will subtract this smaller one from this larger one, 4. When we subtract this 2 from 4, we will get 2c. And sign, what is the sign before the larger number? It is minus. We will put here minus. Now come here. Again these two terms are with different sign. One is plus, second is minus. Here one is plus, first is plus, second is, here first is minus, second is plus, and here first is plus, second is minus. No problem, no difference. Now we will subtract this 12 from this 14. Again we will get 2b. Now what is the sign before the larger number? Before the larger number it is plus. We will put here plus. Now this is plus 5a because there is no sign. So you will consider it plus. This is plus 5a. This is minus 7a. Again both the numbers are with different sign. We will subtract the smaller one. हम छोटा वाला नंबर बड़े वाले नंबर में से subtract कर देंगे. When we subtract 5 from 7, again we will get 2a And what is the sign before the larger number? Which is the larger number, 5 or 7? 7 is the larger number if we compare their numerical value. So before this 7 there is minus sign, we will put here minus. Same question here. What is the difference? See here. From the sum of this and this, from the sum of 13a plus 2b minus 6c and 5a plus 7b minus 11c, subtract a plus 15b minus 12c. First we will find sum of this one and this one as we did here. So 13a, let us see what is the sum of 13a plus 2b minus 6c, and next algebraic expression is 5a plus 7b minus 11c. Again follow these rules. Students, sum means add. Add doesn't mean कि हमको नंबर प्लस ही करने हैं. अगर उनके नंबर साइन डिफरेंट है तो हमें माइनस ही करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू फॉलो दीज रूल्स. सो see here, it is minus 6c minus 11c. Both the sign are same, minus minus, and you know if both the sign are minus minus, I told you here and here, then we will add these numbers 6 plus 11, 17c, and put the same sign minus. When there are two numbers with minus minus sign, we will add their numbers and put the minus sign. Now this is plus 2b plus 7b. Plus 2b plus 7b, both the sign are same. So we will add the numbers 2 plus 7, 9b. Students, be careful when you write this b. Do not write it 6. It is 9b with plus sign because both the sign are plus. Here plus 13a plus 5a. Again both the sign are same. So we will add 13 and 5, 18a. Both the sign are plus, so it is also plus. Here we have done sum of. We have find out sum of 13a plus 2b minus 6c and 5a plus 7b minus 11c. Now from the sum of, it means from this algebraic expression, this is the sum. From this algebraic expression, subtract this one. Again, first we will write in first bracket this 18a plus 9b minus 17c. Then subtract. Now write in second bracket a plus 15b minus 12c. So now we will write this algebraic expression first.